How to change name in Agoda Profile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change your name here in your Agoda account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find the website and sign up links of agoda.com in the description of this tutorial. So when you have created your account, in my case, I just linked my Gmail account here into Agoda, but you're gonna find your profile picture. In my case, is this you with the orange background. I'm gonna click there, and now I'm going into my profile. There you're gonna find your name, your email, phone number, and password. By now, I just have to click on edit my name, and here my name is United account. I can change it to whatever I want. Let's suppose test account. Click on OK and save your new name, and that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.